Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows 11 screensaver or display sleep functions are not working properly. So first, I recommend to unplug any external peripheral devices that are connected to your device. So anything that's connected like external keyboard, mouse, or printer, to unplugging those connections and then proceed and restart your computer. And then see if your screensaver settings reshow. At that point, you can start inserting your devices one at a time. And if you're still having the issue, then you can try these solutions. Okay, so open up on the search menu and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag ng command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na Dism /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. And then copy lang natin yan. And then kung paano ba natin dito i-paste. So dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then click mo lang dito yung paste or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So, click mo lang yan. And then next, I press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dito na deployment image servicings and management tool. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Alright. So, makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung sfc /scannow. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scannow ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And then makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu. And then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So click mo lang itong restart. Yes, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix screensaver not working properly in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.